Once again, a very good afternoon, calm good afternoon to you all. In my earlier videos, we have cleared you how the French Revolution occurred. We also explained about the subsistence crisis. Now we are going to explore about new subtopics: growing middle class, ancestors, and privileges. Dear student, privileges. This was the special status adopted by the nobility and clergy. This was the main crisis of French society. Had you studied? Are you agree with that? Now, in French society, a new class emerged. Who was he? Middle class. Emergence of the middle class. Come to know. Dear student, lower class, artisans, landless farmers, workers, they had no vision. They could not chalk out a proper agenda against despotic rule. The scattered struggle and revolt was continued, but this was not a fixed result. For a revolution to fight against injustice, let us need a proper leadership, a proper intellectuality, a proper agenda need to be there. This was only possible by the middle class. In the history of all the revolutions, mostly 99% revolutions, they were led by the middle class. And you will be also curious who were the part of middle class. Try to know. In middle class, the emerging middle class, new coming class in the French society, this was business class, thinkers and lawyers. Business class, through their overseas trade, through their oceanic business, sea business, they gained a lot of money and they gained the influence in society, over society. Try to know that business class and plus business class plus lawyer plus philosopher, B plus L plus P, business class, lawyer and philosopher. You come to know, actually this intellectual class, they, by their authoring, by their articles, by their editorials, they establish that no one is privileged by birth. No one is privileged by birth. Every people have the space and status in society on their merits, on their quality. It meant not that nobility and clergy, they were by birth privileged. So they defied, they give an argument against the by birth privileges of the nobility and clergy. First thing. For example, in this regard, the innovative thinking of the philosophers. Who are the philosophers? Who are the philosophers, dear students? This word, this is the new word, philosopher. Come to know. Philosopher. Philosophers who give the set of idea, thinking that become the patterns of society and economy. Those are known the philosophers. For example, Gandhi was a philosopher, Rousseau was a philosopher, Montesquieu was a philosopher, John Locke was a philosopher. Their thinking, their vision ignited to the French people. Now come to know about the example. For example, the first he was John Locke. To treatises, two treatises on government. This is the text written by whom? By whom this was written? John Locke. In his famous text, two treatises on government, John Locke established, concluded that there is no divinely rights of the king. King is not by birth divinely. Raja Bhagwan nahi hai. If he is not doing well for the people, people can change him. This idea of John Locke really influenced to the French people to fight against the monarchy. First thinkers, the two treatises on government by John Locke. Second thinker who also created revolution in the political world, he was Rousseau. Who was he? He was Rousseau. And Rousseau, the spirit of law, social contract. In his famous text, Social Contract. In his famous text, Social Contract, what Rousseau said? That powers that is gained by the king, that is not divinely, that is coming from the contract between the rule and rulers. That is the contract, that is not given by God. If ruler will not do as per accordingly, desirably, if ruler will not follow the contract, this was done by Rousseau, right? No, social contract. He asserted, he concluded, he given new idea that there is a contract between the rulers and rule. If ruler is not following the contract, that contract will be broken. That also created atmosphere at the mental level among the people against the monarchy. And third philosopher, he was Montesquieu. What he did, he was the French philosopher Montesquieu. The spirit of law. The spirit of law. By Montesquieu. Without law. Trying to know. What he said, that powers are not centered in a hand, that might be divided between legislature, executive and judiciary. This idea of division of power that really created a big shift among the people. The king solely he was enjoying all the powers, legislature, executive, judiciary. But this was not right. This need to be divided. These three philosophers, really they are authoring, they are writing, their articles, their ideas, those were read at the mass level. Even who were illiterate, the people read aloud and they listened the idea. And this new idea really created atmosphere against the monarchy. So this was the role of philosophers in the French Revolution, dear students. So these middle class, the emergence of new middle class really given the new dynamism to the French Revolution and they led the revolution. Thank you very much.